Put it on the table.
Is that yummy? Sophia, is that nummy? What are you eating, Sophia?
What is that?
What are you eating? Can you chew it? Can you chew it? Show us how you chew.
Okay.
Show us how you chew, Sophia. You drop the chicken.
So good.
Show us how you chew.
You have a big bite, Sophia.
Chew it.
Wait till you eat that piece.
Don't feet on the table. Bye-bye.